Did you know that there are two ways you can order on Easy? One is the outright buy, that is, adding to cart, and making the purchase, the other making an offer, both of which can be done in minutes. To make a custom offer, go to the shop page. Go to the devices you like to purchase, and you see a blue box that says offer. Click on it and state your desired specifications and quantity. Click next and choose your desired offer, or input your desired offer. How cool is that? Did you know what's even cooler? You can make bulk offers all at once. Click on bulk offers at the top right corner of the listing. Choose the template you'll use to share your offer and upload it. Once you submit it and it is received, Easy will do some magic and your offer will be made live. Please note, don't be worried about how to track the offers because we will give you updates on the website and via email too. So make sure to check your inbox frequently.